Hello students, let us start with one definition, linear combination. Definition. If A1, A2 and so on up to AR are m by n matrices. Are m by n matrices means size of all of these matrices is m by n, and K1, K2 and so on up to Kr are real numbers, then the expression of the form, expression of the form K1 into A1 plus K2 into A2 plus and so on plus Kr into AR is called linear combination of A1, A2 and so on up to AR, and K1, K2 and so on up to Kr are real numbers, are called coefficients, or we can call it as scalars. Coefficients. Here, what is the definition of linear combination? A1, A2 and so on up to AR are m by n matrices, and K1, K2, Kr are real numbers. Then, the expression of the form K1, A1, this expression of this form is called linear combination of A1, A2 and so on up to AR. Let us see one theorem. Let A is equal to matrix A11, A12 and so on up to A1n. Second row is A21, A22 and so on up to 2n, and so on up to AM1, AM2 and so on up to AMN. So what is the size of this matrix? Size of this matrix is Bm by n matrix. Size of this matrix is m by n, since number of rows are m and number of columns are n. And let x bar is equal to x1, x2 and so on up to xn be an n vector. Whose size is n by 1, since number of rows are n and column is 1. N by 1 matrix. Then A into x bar is equal to x1 into A11, A21 and so on up to AM1 plus x2 into A12, A22 and so on up to AM2 plus and so on plus xn, A1n and so on up to AMN. That is, A into x bar is a linear combination of column vectors of A with scalars x1, x2 and so on up to xn. Since as previous we have seen definition linear combination. What is that definition? Expression of the form ax1 plus we have considering a1, a2 and so on up to an are matrices, and k1 and so on up to kr are real numbers. Then expression of the form k1 into a plus k2 into a2 plus and so on krar is, this expression is nothing but the linear combination of a1, a2 and so on. Therefore, x bar is linear combination of column vectors of A with scalar x1, x2 and so on up to xn. See, this is a theorem. Now we have to prove this theorem. That is, we have to prove x bar is a linear combination of column vectors of A with scalars x1, x2 and so on up to xn. Proof. Let us see proof. Here, since A is m by n matrix, what we have given? A is m by n matrix and x bar is 1 by n vector, n by 1 matrix. The matrix product Ax bar is the what is the size of this matrix? Here A is m by n and x bar is n by 1 matrix, so we draw this n. Therefore, size of product Ax bar is m by 1 matrix. Now we compute A into Ax bar, which is equal to, what is A? A is A11, A12 and so on up to A1n, A21, A22 and so on up to A2n and so on up to AM1, AM2 and so on up to AMN. Okay, into, what is x bar? X bar is x1, x2 and so on up to xn. Okay. Now we multiply these two matrices. What is that multiplication? First row into this matrix, that is A11 x1 plus A12 x2 plus and so on A1n x1. Second entry is second row into this matrix, we get A21 x1 plus A22 x2 plus and so on plus A2n xn and so on AM1 x1 plus AM2 x2 plus and so on plus AMN xn. Okay. Using definition of matrix addition, and scalar multiplication we obtain Ax bar is equal to x1 into A11, A12 and so on up to AM1 plus x2 into A21, A22 and so on up to AM2 plus and so on up to xn plus and so on up to xn, a1n, a21, 2n and so on up to am. Therefore, that implies Ax bar, that implies Ax bar is a linear combination, of column vectors of A with scalar x1, x2 and so on up to xn. Hence proof completed. Let us take next definition. Partition of matrices. Definition. Let us see definition of partition of matrices. Let A is equal to matrix Aij be m by n matrix. Let A is equal to matrix Aij be m by n matrix. If we delete some but not all of rows or columns, of A, we obtain a submatrix. For example, let A is equal to matrix 4 1 2 3 minus 3 5 0 3 minus 2 4 minus 3 2 be a matrix. Then see here, what is partition of matrix? A is equal to Aij, any m by n matrix. If we delete some but not all of rows or columns of A, we obtain a submatrix. See here, then matrix 4 1 minus 3 5 is a submatrix. Of A after deleting third row and third column, after deleting third row and third column and fourth column of A. See here, matrix 4 1 minus 3 5 is a submatrix of A. It is obtained by deleting third row, third column and fourth column of matrix A. Next, suppose matrix 1 2 3 5 0 3. It is also a submatrix. Is submatrix of A. How it is obtained? It is obtained by deleting first column of A after first column of after deleting first column and third row of A Then second matrix, suppose 4 1 2 3 minus 2 4 minus 3 2. It is also submatrix, is a submatrix of A. It is obtained by deleting third row. How it is obtained? It is obtained by deleting second row of A. We have seen definition of submatrix. Now we will see definition of partition matrix. Partition of a matrix. Definition: given a matrix A, we can obtain a set of submatrices of A by drawing horizontal and vertical lines in the rectangular array for capital A. Then the set of submatrices of capital A is obtained in this way is called a partition of A. For example, let matrix 0 minus 1 3 minus 2 4 1 minus 1 0 minus 3 1 4 2 be a matrix. See here, given matrix A, we can obtain a set of submatrices A by drawing horizontal and vertical lines in the rectangular array. So see here, I have taken this matrix. Suppose I draw these two vertical lines and this one horizontal line to get submatrices. This is a matrix and two vertical lines and one horizontal line and one horizontal line be drawn. so that we obtain A is equals to P11, P12, this is P11, this is P12 and this is P13. Next is P21, P22, P23. Where P11 is nothing but matrix 0, 4. P12 is equals to matrix -1, 3, 1, -1. P13 is equals to -2, 0. P21 is equals to matrix -3. P22 is equals to matrix 1, 4 and P23 is equals to matrix 2. Are submatrices. These are submatrices of capital A and forms a partition of A and forms a partition of A. These matrices P11, P12, P13, P21, P22, P23 are obtained by drawing vertical lines and horizontal lines. These are called submatrices of A and this matrix forms a partition of A. Let us take next definition. Block multiplication of matrices. Block multiplication of matrices. Block multiplication of matrices. Let A is equals to matrix AIJ, B 6/4 matrix, B 6/4 matrix and capital BB 4/5 matrix. Let A and B be partition as follows, as shown below. Here A is 6/4 matrix. For A is equal to, that is number of rows are 6 and number of columns are 4. A11, A12, A13, A14. Second row is A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A33, A32, A33, A34, A41, A42, A43, A44, A51, A52, A53, A54 and last entry A61, last row is A61, A62, A63 and A64. This is matrix A and it is partitioned as by drawing one vertical row and two horizontal rows and B is, what is the size of B? It is 4/5 matrix, that is number of rows are 4 and number of columns are 5. Therefore B11, B12, B13, B14, B15, B21, B22, B23, B24, B25, B31, B32, B33, B34, B35 and last row is B41, B42, B43, B44, B4 5. This is matrix B. See here, this matrix is partitioned as by drawing two vertical lines and one horizontal line. Okay. Then A can be written as C. In previous definition, partition of matrix, we have seen that these matrices are called P11. This first matrix is P11, P12, P21. Second matrix is fourth matrix is P22. Last is P31, P32, and B is equals to, suppose we say here Q11. Then next is Q12, Q13, Q21, Q22, Q23. Where we know that P11 is nothing but A11, A12, A21, A22, and so on up to P32 is last matrix. A53, A54, A63, A64. Okay, and Q1 is, these are the submatrices of A. These are submatrices of partition of A. Okay, and Q11 is equals to what? B11, B21, and B31. Okay, and so on up to Q23 is equals to B44, B45. These are the submatrices of B. Here is say only submatrices of A. Okay. Then we have to block multiplication of matrices. Means we have to find A into B. This is equals to P11 into, see here, just think that these are two matrices and we have to multiply them. Size of this matrix is 2 by 3 and size of this matrix is 2 by 3. Size of this matrix is 3 by 2 and size of this matrix is 2 by 3. Multiply. For first entry we multiply first row of A. For first entry of A into B, we multiply corresponding entries of first row of A into first column of B, that is P11 into Q11 plus P12 into Q21. Then second entry is nothing but P11 into Q12 into P12 into Q22. Last entry is P11 into Q13 in plus, here is plus P11 into Q13 into P12 into Q23. Again, next entry is P21 into Q11 plus P22 into Q21. Then next is P21 into Q12 plus P22 into Q22. Next entry is P21 into Q13 plus P22 into Q23. This entry is P31 into Q11 plus P32 into Q21. Here P31 into Q12 plus P32 into Q22. Here P31 into Q13 plus P32 into Q23. This is called the block multiplication of matrices. This is called the block multiplication of matrices. This is called the block multiplication of matrices. Thank you.